Yo, what's up guys? I look like a fucking zombie. Yeah, I got like negative sleep, but we are getting a different car today. I'm dropping the 370Z off to get fixed finally. Shout out to the Civic for the new bumper that hit me. Yeah, the Z is getting a new bumper and new taillight, and I'm getting a rental. So I'm gonna bring you guys along, and then yeah, we'll see what we get slapped with. Hopefully it's nothing shit. We got a fucking Charger. It's a V6, but dude, I didn't know these things had fucking like all this shit. They got launch control factory in a V6. Has a performance page. Dude, look at this. Dyno. Like what? 800 in a V6. Yeah, good luck. Good luck. Dude, the best part about this car, why does this thing get 6.4 liters per 100? Yo, what's up guys? It's like fucking 2 days since I filmed the last clip, I think. I've had my rental for 3 days. This thing's actually not bad. Shout out to Enterprise for not giving me some fucking clapped like NPC car. I mean, it's kind of an NPC car, but it's decent. Sound system's good. And it's comfy, so we'll take it. But yeah, I think I get my car back either today, later on, or tomorrow. I'm at work today, so there's no way I'm getting it today. Probably tomorrow morning, tomorrow afternoon, something like that. New bumper on. Can't wait to show you guys. It looks sick. But yeah. Peep the Dodge. We dropping it off tonight. Alright guys, I'm just finished work. I'm currently on my way to drop off the Charger. It's a not so sad day. But yeah, last day with this beast. And then I think I get my car back tomorrow, hopefully. Fingers crossed. We will see. I'll catch you guys when I'm emptying this whip. Alright guys, solid run. The Charger is being returned. It's closed right now, but I'm just gonna leave the keys in the drop box. Sayonara. So I think the last clip you saw was me in the rental dropping it off, but I just got my car the next day. It's dude, it looks so good. Huge shout out to the car store on Firestone Boulevard in London. I'll link them in the description. Get at my boy Mike Minogue. So good. Probably the best I could have possibly asked for. Yeah, the whole car is spotless, and I just gotta show you. One sec. Dude, not even looking at the bumper. Look how fucking clean it is. Are you guys ready? Dude, it's so aggressive. It looks so good. CarStar London East. I will link them. Dude, it's so good. And the diffuser, dude, they paint matched the color, the pinstripe on the Nismo. It's normally red. They paint matched it for me. Alright, so these little motherfuckers gotta come off. I'm gonna cut them. Alright, this is the new temporary logo until I can get this piece. The little carbon behind. Alright guys, it's about 6 months later. I never filmed an intro, but I'm getting to editing the video, so hopefully you guys see it soon. Peace. Stay tuned for the next videos, because there's going to be a bunch dropping in a row.